In today's episode we're gonna do oil change on my 2017 X3 F25 N20. This US spec car is programmed for 15,000 kilometers oil change intervals. But the board computer advises to change oil on this vehicle every 10,000 kilometers due to the city drive. I've decided to try and suck out all of the remaining oil in the filter housing. It was 100 milliliters. I always drain oil until the very last drop. Replace the filter and all O-rings. Coat the O-rings with oil before installation. Replace copper washer. This oil is one of the approved types. As this engine doesn't have an oil dipstick, you can only check the oil level using the iDrive screen. That's why I always check how much oil I have drained and compare it to the filled quantity to monitor the oil consumption. Check out the next video how to reset the oil service indication using the cluster.